Welcome to our channel, your go-to destination for all things health and wellness. Today, we're diving deep into the world of gut health. Your gut plays a crucial role in your overall well-being, affecting digestion, immunity, and even your mood. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our gut-boosting tips. Let's unlock the secrets to a healthier gut. Ready, let's go. 1. Dietary fiber intake, the indigestible part of plant foods that passes through the digestive system mostly intact. It comes in two main forms, soluble and insoluble fiber. How it improves gut health. Fiber plays a vital role in promoting a healthy gut in several ways. Prebiotic effect. Soluble fiber acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria like bifidobacteria and lactobacillus. This promotes the growth of these friendly microbes, which in turn helps maintain a balanced gut microbiome. Regular bowel movements. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool and helps prevent constipation by speeding up the transit of food through the digestive tract. Fermentation. Some types of fiber are fermented by gut bacteria into short-chain fatty acids of sainzatricamide, which have anti-inflammatory properties and support gut lining health. Sources of fiber include a variety of fiber-rich foods in your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Aim for at least 25-30 grams of fiber per day. 2. Probiotic foods and supplements. What they are: probiotics are live beneficial bacteria that can be consumed through certain foods or supplements. They help balance the gut microbiome. How they improve gut health. Probiotics offer several benefits for gut health. Restoring balance. They introduce beneficial bacteria into the gut, which can help restore the balance of the microbiome, especially after disruptions like antibiotic use. Enhancing digestion. Probiotics can improve digestion by breaking down complex carbohydrates and aiding in nutrient absorption. Immune support. A healthy gut microbiome is closely linked to a strong immune system. Probiotics may help regulate the immune response, reducing inflammation. Some probiotic strains have anti-inflammatory effects, potentially alleviating symptoms of inflammatory bowel diseases. Sources of probiotics. You can find probiotics in foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha. Additionally, probiotic supplements are available, but it's important to choose products with strains known to benefit specific health concerns. 3. Stay hydrated. Importance of hydration. Proper hydration is essential for overall health, including gut health. Water is necessary for the digestion and absorption of nutrients, and it helps maintain the mucosal lining of the gastrointestinal tract. How it improves gut health. Staying hydrated supports gut health in several ways. Digestive enzyme function. Enzymes responsible for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients function optimally in a well-hydrated environment. Regular bowel movements. Dehydration can lead to constipation as the colon absorbs excess water from stools. Adequate hydration helps maintain softer stools and regular bowel movements. Mucosal barrier. The gut lining relies on water to create a protective barrier against harmful substances. Maintaining this barrier is crucial for preventing the entry of pathogens into the bloodstream. Hydration tips. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses, about 2 liters of water per day, but individual needs vary based on factors like activity level, climate, and overall health. Pay attention to your body's signals for thirst and consume hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables. 4. Manage stress. The gut-brain connection. There is a strong connection between the gut and the brain, often referred to as the gut-brain axis. Stress and anxiety can negatively impact gut health. How it improves gut health. Managing stress is vital for maintaining a healthy gut because microbiome balance. Chronic stress can alter the composition of the gut microbiome, potentially leading to an imbalance of beneficial and harmful bacteria. Inflammation. Stress triggers the release of stress hormones like cortisol, which, when elevated over time, can lead to gut inflammation. Digestive function. High stress levels can affect digestion, leading to issues like irritable bowel syndrome, and indigestion. Stress reduction techniques. To improve gut health through stress management, consider practices such as Meditation and mindfulness. These techniques can help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Regular exercise. Physical activity can release endorphins and reduce stress hormones. Adequate sleep. Prioritize quality sleep as it plays a significant role in stress regulation. Social support. Connecting with friends and family can provide emotional support during stressful times. 5. Limit sugar and processed foods. The impact of sugary and processed foods. Diets high in sugar and processed foods can have detrimental effects on gut health. These foods are often low in fiber and can disrupt the balance of the gut microbiome. How it improves gut health. Cutting down on sugar and processed foods can benefit your gut in the following ways. Microbiome balance. A diet high in sugar can promote the growth of harmful bacteria in the gut while reducing the population of beneficial bacteria. This imbalance can lead to various digestive issues. Inflammation reduction. Processed foods often contain additives, preservatives, and unhealthy fats that can trigger inflammation in the gut and throughout the body. Leaky gut prevention. A diet rich in processed foods may contribute to leaky gut syndrome, where the intestinal lining becomes more permeable, allowing harmful substances to enter the bloodstream. Healthy dietary choices. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and nuts. Minimize your intake of sugary snacks, sodas, and foods with excessive additives and preservatives. As we wrap up today's discussion on gut health, we hope you found these insights valuable in your journey towards a healthier you. If you enjoyed this video and want more health and wellness tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to show your support. Feel free to share your thoughts, questions, or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today on Healthy Life. Be blessed.